President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. expressed his aspiration for a future where Filipinos will no longer have to pay hospital fees, only minimal administrative costs. He said this vision is possible once the country's economy is strengthened. While acknowledging the current lack of funds and an inefficient system, the president assured the government will continue its efforts to ease healthcare burdens. These include expanding PhilHealth coverage, reducing hospital contributions, and enhancing urgent care services under BUCAS.
At kung tayo'y magawa natin, pag naayos natin ang ating ekonomiya na mabuti at kaya na natin, ay kaya naman siguro natin, wala nang kontribusyon ng pasyente. Bigyan na lang natin ng siguro yung kagaya sa ibang lugar na nakikita ko, na nasubukan ko, administrative cost lang. Wala yun, mga 100 piso yun. Tama na yun. Yun lang ang siguro na ibigay nila. Yun lang, that is the aspiration.